Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I designed and 3D printed these parts for a little toy bus, and the wheels came out with a very small hole. I made the hole bigger in the print file that I am placing online. I printed mine in two colors, actually three. I printed black, orange and gray. I actually made one in white, gray and black. But you will see pictures of that later. I wanted the wheels to be able to turn around, but I did not manage to do that, so you just glue the wheels onto the little car here. And I actually made a 3D print file where these tires and the tire or the wheel caps are one print file, so you can do it as you want to. But I actually think this little car came out really cool. Here I printed the tires in black and the wheel caps in gray, and I just glued on the little wheel cap on the tire here in the center. This is really tiny to print on my printer. I have a Bamboo Lab P1S and it actually printed really fine, but you could print this on a resin printer as well if that's easier for you. But maybe you try it out, give it a try. I think this one turned out really cool. Then I went ahead and I painted the sign and the headlights on the little bus here with a white paint. And if you have a steady hand and a really nice fine liner, you can write bus in that little sign. And I also, with a little fine liner, gave it a line down the side of the bus. So you can do that if you want to, but you really don't have to. Subscribe, like, and ring the bell button. So that was the first toy. I decided to give you two today because it was a small video, and I made this little money thing, cashier thingy for the kids to play with. This coins, I printed those in orange, but I could paint them gold if I want to. I don't want to here. And then they can all be in the little drawer that you actually can open and close. For the details, I took 3 head pins and I cut them down to 1 centimeter length. So I have the head and then 1 centimeter of that metal stick wire after the little head. I painted the head on all 3 of these pieces. I painted one red, one yellow, and one green, but you can do whatever colors you want to. But as this is a kid toy, I wanted it to have as much coloring as possible on these knobs here. So yeah, I just went for red, yellow, and green. So the little cashier, I think that is the right word for this one. I thought the white was a little boring to look at, so I decided to paint the sides here in a red color. Again, you could do blue, green, whatever here on the side. You could even do the whole one in another color if you wanted to, but I just decided to give the sides here 2 layers of that red paint, and I'm of course doing this on the other side as well. Then I printed a little sign for the top of the cashier, and here it is in kroner, as I do live in Denmark, so I do the kroner sign. This print file is in the info box below, so you can use it, or you could maybe use it as a template for something that fits to you and your need. Then I am going to glue that little sign in place here at the top of my little cashier. My head pins are also dry, so I am going to give them a blob of my tacky glue, and I'm going to place all three in one of these slits or slides or empty room spaces here. Call it what you want to. So I'm just gluing it in place, and I'm making sure that they are glued in 3 different places here, so it looks like someone have been playing around with it. Now you just leave it to dry completely before you use it for anything in the dollhouse. I actually think this turned out really cute as well. So that was fun to design and to make. I hope you will like this one as well. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching and happy crafting.